In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a site header in Squarespace 7.1 Classic Editor. This short guide will take you through each step to customize your header effectively, making your website not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. To start, ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. Here you'll want to find and click on Edit Site or Website. This will bring you to a preview of your site. In the top left corner, you should see an Edit button. Click it, and this will allow you to interact with various components of your site, including the header. Now let's focus on the header itself. Hover over this area and a prompt will appear to Edit Site Header. Click this option to begin customizing. The first aspect you'll look at is the site title and logo. At this point, you can either modify your current site title or upload a custom logo image. Always remember to check both desktop and mobile views to ensure your logo appears as intended across all devices. Adjust the size of the logo if necessary. Keeping it proportionate and not overwhelming the header space is key. Next, click on Edit Design, where you'll uncover a variety of layout and styling options. Here you can choose different header layouts to organize your title, logo, navigation, and other elements precisely how you envision them. Consider the placement and arrangement. These small decisions contribute greatly to usability and the overall look of your site. With the layout set, it's time to decide on the header content width. You have the option to set it to full or inset depending on your design preferences. Use the provided sliders to adjust padding and spacing, ensuring adequate distance between elements like links and social icons. This attention to detail can significantly impact both visual appeal and functionality. To enhance the header further, click Add Elements. This tool allows you to include additional features such as social media icons, a call to action button, or even a shopping cart icon if applicable. Each element should serve a purpose and align with your site's goals. Navigate to the Color tab within the Edit Design panel to style the header background. Choosing complementary colors is critical for ensuring text readability and overall coherence with the rest of your site. Consider enabling visual effects like a drop shadow or border, accessible through the same design panel, to add dimension and interest to your header. Decide between a standard scrolling header or opting for a fixed position. Fixed headers stay in place as users scroll, which can enhance navigation but might also occupy valuable screen space. Once you're satisfied with your design choices, click Done and then Save to apply these changes to your site. Following these steps will not only refine your site's aesthetic, but also create a more professional and user-friendly experience.